Every journey begins with a thought. A thought to build something meaningful, and that thoughts become Aebocode. We started small with ideas, curiosity, a strong belief in innovation. There were no shortcuts, only long hours, experiments, expectations, and learning every single day. In the beginning, we faced challenges. Things did not work as planned, but each setback taught us an important lesson: to stay resilient, to stay strong, to be honest, and never stop improving. Along the way, we saw many failures. We saw system fails. We saw drone crashes. But we never treated crashes as the end. For us, every crash was a learning. It was a lesson. It's a chance to understand, to build something strong, to design strong, to build safer. We learned that technology alone is not enough. Real impact comes when innovation meets purpose, when solutions are built for real problems. Over time, and our efforts turned into achievements, Aebocode grew into a technology-driven organization, trusted for its capability and, importantly, commitments. As we move forward, our focus remains clear: to strengthen indigenous innovation, to push technological boundaries, and to create solutions which make differences. Aebocode is now not just a company, it's a journey of learning, growth, and impact. And this journey has only just begun.